There are different ways to vote in the upcoming elections. They are in person, by post or by proxy. Like Fred, you can vote at the polling station on election day. For more details on this, please see our other videos, Register to Vote and Election Day. Erica is voted by post. She registered with a local council and they sent her ballot papers in the post. She's marked both her papers and has posted them back in time for the election. If you are ill, unable to attend the polling station or abroad during the election, you can nominate a person to vote by proxy for you. Please visit the Electoral Commission's website on www.aboutmyvote.co.uk for more details and information on how to register.
This year, the people of Wales will have 3 opportunities to vote. To find out more, visit vote2011.org.